Hello everyone, so I'm back with another doll review. Well, not really review, just kind of I will review her later though. So today from Amazon, I got, oh my gosh, this 1994 Tooth Fairy Barbie special edition from Walmart from the 90s. And oh my gosh, look at the box, it is immaculate. Whoever owned this doll took very good care of her, and what I also found interesting is they also give you the body info on the side. 94 Indonesia. Here's the back. I used to have the box for the pink and blue one, or pink and it's kind of a bluey, almost turquoisey color. But when I moved, the box got lost. But I still have the doll. Tooth Fairy Barbie has come today to hide your lost tooth away. Tell your mom your tooth came out. Then tuck it away in Fairy's pouch. Check the pouch the very next day. Did anything happen while you were away? I miss whenever Barbie boxes used to be like this. And remember in the 90s when every single Barbie box said special edition? Every Barbie was like a special edition, which I'm pretty sure they weren't, but they just put that there because I guess it made the dolls feel more special. So oh my gosh, I'm gonna take her out. It says Tooth Fairy Barbie on the bottom. This box is like perfect. There's like barely any dents or scratches, definitely keeping the box. Now I'm not going to actually take her out because that will be for a review later on, but I will like open the box and show you what she looks like in person. Only won't get to experience her in person, just a video, so. But that's actually the picture. I remember she was one of my most favorite, like back in, I think 1996, I think it was. I remember finding this doll in my grandma's garage. Of course, I was living with my grandma at the time. And I already had the other version, the one that had the purple and bluish outfit. So yeah, I remember getting her when I came home from school when I was 6 years old, I believe. Yeah. And she was sitting on the chair in the living room, and she was wearing Flower Fun Barbie's dress. So I had that one, and then like a week or so later I found this one in the garage, which Granny said she got that one, my first one, out of the garbage, but I was thinking maybe she got that one out of the garage because that's where the purple pink one was. And of course neither one of them were wearing their outfits. I thought they were ballerinas back then because of that. So yeah, they didn't have anything in my purple-eyed one. I always called her the purple-eyed ballerina because of her eyes. I always called her that. But yeah, she didn't have the earrings, so I never knew what earrings she came with. I think my other one had her pink stud earrings. Yeah, she did. But this doll's earrings, unfortunately, were lost. Needless to say, I don't have either one of those anymore. They both got broken and thrown away, so yeah. Long story short, I don't have them, and it's been literally since I was 14 years old since I've seen this doll in person. I've always seen her in eBay listings, stuff like that. It has literally been a hot minute since I've seen her, so yes. So, big unveil, you get to see. I almost don't want to open her because she's so perfect, but I never keep my dolls boxed. Oh, and it looks like it's going to open very nicely. I'm going to try not to bend anything. Wow, look how old that glue is. It's turned yellow. This doll is literally from when I was 4 years old, so. Ewy. That's going to be something I'm going to have to work with. You know how, that's another thing. Old rubber bands in doll's hair. Her hair bow also isn't tied perfectly. It's just one little loop. It should be like a perfect 2 bows. I can fix that though. So, her first time in over 20 years ever being out of the box. here. She is, oh my goodness. Of course I have to smell her. She smells like cardboard. She really does. Oh my gosh. She's gorgeous. Wow. So yeah. I've never actually had her outfit. I have the other outfit and all the accessories. Except for the cardboard accessories. Those fell apart. Wow. Look at her. This is my era of Barbie right here. This was the epitome of Barbie when I was a kid. This is what she looked like. This is what came to mind whenever the name Barbie was mentioned when I was a kid. This look right here. The superstar mold, those big cat-like eyes, the huge gaudy earrings, the big hair. Not necessarily 80s hair, but the big volumized hair. And outfits like this. And of course you've got to have the seashell brush that looks kind of like a seashell or a cloud or something. Her paper accessories are in there, which I'll have to get those out later. I'll do a review over her. But anyhow, that is my unboxing of the very lovely Miss Tooth Fairy Barbie special edition from Walmart, 1994. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.